Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Google Analytics 4 data access with admin permissions step by step clearly. Open your Google Analytics account. Navigate to the admin section by clicking the gear icon in the lower left corner. Ensure you select the correct property for which you want to verify data access. In the admin panel, look for the account column on the left. Click on Account Access Management. Here, you will see all users with access to this account. Check for your user account in the list. Ensure that you have the necessary permissions for data access. Next, click on the Property column in the admin panel. Select Property Access Management. Again, review the list of users and permissions. Confirm that your user account appears with the right access level. If necessary, click the blue plus button in the top right corner to add users. Input the email address of the user you want to grant access to. Select the appropriate permissions, ensuring Read and Analyze is checked. Click Add to confirm the changes. Now, head over to the Google Analytics 4 reporting interface. Verify that you can access the data as intended. If you encounter any issues, return to the admin panel to review permissions once again. Document any changes or observations for future reference. Repeat these steps with other users if needed to ensure proper access. Congratulations, you have successfully verified Google Analytics 4 data access with admin permissions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.